it's Hannah with WTI, and I was looking for the perfect piece to add to my newly remodeled bathroom for my teepee. And this one from Craft Kitties is so perfect.
This is made of the most gorgeous walnut wood that matches my vanity perfectly. It has such beautiful attention to detail, and they really give you everything that you need. It was so easy to install. It only took me about 10 minutes to do it on my own. And I love that they've included things like these little screw covers so you don't have to see the screw holes. And now I just have this gorgeous shelf that holds my toilet paper, the remote to my bidet, and just really looks gorgeous in my bathroom.
Listen, you don't need to settle for boring toilet paper holders. So check out Craft Kitties and get one of theirs. They are absolutely gorgeous. And that is my point of view.